Good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have headed out of my house after almost 3 months. That's the longest, I guess. So I had to go out today because I need to get something. Like, I'm going there with my best friend. She has already reached and she's waiting there. So I'm just going to a nearby mall, and it's like 10 to 15 minutes away from my place. So I am not taking a cab because it's hardly 10 minutes from my place. But we needed to get something which we are not getting online. It's like a daily product that we need. We are not yet sure whether we will get it at the mall or not, but still, we just thought of giving it a try. And let's see if we can get it. So I'll catch you guys once I reach the mall. So let's see what happens. Okay guys, so we are done with our shopping. So as I told you before that we went to the mall to get something essential that we were not getting online, and we had to get it. So that's why we decided to go to the mall, that too after so long, and we took all the precautions that is needed. Still, it's not safe yet. So even if you are going out of the house, take all the precautions that are needed. And apart from that, we are heading back home right now, and as you can see, few shopping bags here in my hand. So it's like we went there and we got all the essential things that we need, but we can't really change our habits. Like, even if we don't need something, we have this habit. Like, I guess you all can relate a bit that even if we go for window shopping, we end up spending on something that we don't need. And we did the same thing today, but no, like, we did not waste our money, because it was just a small gift that my best friend got for me, because she couldn't gift me anything on my birthday, which was on 5th June. Tata is with me. So basically, so basically, Sugata doesn't like to be in front of the camera because she is always there, like behind the camera. So right now, you won't be able to see her face on my vlog ever. That's a strict instruction from her side, and I can't really help it. But now we are heading back home, and she got me a cute little gift that I'll show you guys once I reach home. Okay, so this is what I got, and I just got a formal pair of trouser and blazer. I wanted to get this since long, and it has discounts on it in Zara, so I got a good deal outfit. And also my best friend got me a little gift, that is this pair of shoes, and I love them. So thank you so much, Sugata. Hi guys, good evening. So this is day 2, and basically I abruptly ended yesterday. তো কালকে সেরকম কিছু করার ছিল না ultimately. First I thought যে like I'll do another day in my vlog, like another day in my life kind of video. But then I realized that it's okay, and I thought to switch it up and do another week in my life, which I have never done on this channel. আর তাছাড়াও The thing is that right now, whatever we are seeing around us and Jerokom situation cholche, we are basically not in that mood to really like each day is different, especially for me. I guess it's for all of us. Each day is very different than the other, and we don't really do great each day. Each day is different. Maje things are very good, maje things are not so good. So if I do a particular day in my life, then I need to do something extra which I'm not feeling maybe. So that's why I realized that let's do something. Let's make a week in my vlog so that I can include all the good things that I'm doing and keeping aside all the negativity. So যতদিন না এই সিচুয়েশনটা কন্ট্রোল হচ্ছে, but till the time we are not feeling that great, we are able to go out and do things and like before. যেরকম yesterday I went out and went to a mall after ages. I went there after almost 3.5 months, which is a huge change for me. And I guess এরকম আমাদের সবার লাইফেই হচ্ছে, and things are getting out of control at times. We don't have much control over our emotions and everything, but still we have our own people around, and we are very lucky যাদের সাথে তাদের families আছে. And yeah, so that's it. Also, right now I am at my terrace, so this is the second day, and I have my cute little sister with me. So keeping aside all the things, so let's see what good things can I do. And because things were a little hectic at Tasharao, I couldn't give you guys any update. So basically I was doing vlogs and stuff, and I promised you guys to stay consistent, but unfortunately ektu holeo that consistency got messed up because of the cyclone, because of Amphan, and then I was not at all having proper connection. I couldn't even make a call properly, and that lasted for weeks and weeks. And right now situation is normal, but still I'm still having those problems, so I'm really sorry for that again. And apart from that, I got a GoPro. I also forgot to update you guys on that. I am filming in a GoPro right now, and it feels good. It was a birthday gift from my dad on my birthday, which was on 5th June, as I mentioned earlier. And I'm happy that finally I'll get to vlog with a GoPro, which is amazing. And also I'm waiting for the day when I'll get to travel again, so that I can use this thing and make some amazing videos for you guys. So yes, today the weather is really beautiful and it's looking great. Like, oh my god. I just got a call from my best friend, and she needs some help for her assignment. So আমি এখন ওখানে যাব, and she stays like 30 minutes away from my place. So I'll just book a cab, and I need to pick up few items that she is going to require for the assignment. So যতদূর আমি জানি it's going to be like a portfolio shoot or something. She needs to put like, I will be her model for the day. Don't forget to keep your essentials with you while you're traveling in this situation. And it gets a little frustrating maje like wearing a mask and doing everything. Prochondo irritating lage maje, but you need to do it. So don't forget to carry a mask whenever you are going out, even if you're going out for 2 minutes. যাবে এটা কি হচ্ছে?
আরে এখানে আয়। This is called কি বলে এটাকে? হ্যান্ড স্যানিটাইজার।
হ্যান্ড স্যানিটাইজার মুখে কেন দিচ্ছিস তুই?
ধর পিছনে। কি করেছিস?
Introduce yourself.
I'm Shweta. I'm a professional makeup artist. We met after 6 months.
6 months. Last time we met, it was on 1st June.
1st June?
Yeah.
1st January.
Sorry. 1st January. That's right.
So as you can see, we are foodies. You can
আমাকে দেখে
see
বোঝা
her,
যায় না, but আমি
but she eats. She eats a lot.
a lot.
I look like I eat a lot, but I don't.
Anyway, guys, don't mind. I'm going to eat like this only because I'm very tired right now to change. I'll eat first and then I will change. Then I'll go. Hi guys, good morning. So this is, I don't remember which day is running today. Anyway, so I started this vlog on Monday and today is Friday. Also, I forgot to mention this in my vlog that I got a new piercing. I got it just a week back, I guess, and I forgot to mention it in the vlog, so I thought of sharing it. And it's doing quite well. Like, I'm not having any issue by far, and I'm happy about that thing. Also, I don't really like this thing, like this small stud. So most probably I'm going to like change it with a nose ring. Good evening, guys. So tomorrow I have two of my friends' birthday, and that's why I was just making 2 short videos for them, and that's what I am doing since evening. So I just shot a short video for Raima, and now I'm going to shot another video for Shomajit. Okay, so right now let me just edit this. Good morning. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Saturday. Today is Raima's birthday and I'm going to her place. Also, guess what? It started raining. Guys, so also another thing, I got this ring. So I didn't purchase a new ring. This one I borrowed it from my mom, and I don't know how it looks on me though. I wanted a silver ring, like a plain one. This has got little studs on it, but for the time being I'm going to manage with this because the previous one was like, it was good but it was too small, and the push behind was, I don't know what is it called. It's like the push that you get to just secure it. That was like too big and it was not looking good at all. Hey guy, action will be action. দাঁড়া দাঁড়া wait হ্যাঁ সাকিব দা আর সামনে দাঁড়াবি তো 1 2 3 action. তোমার মাথায় ফাটাতে হবে
What formula is also known as bottom up approach?
Bottom
Bottom up approach.
বলতে চাস?
আমাকে ভালো লাগছে দেখতে, বাজে লাগলে বলবি, আমি চেঞ্জ করতে।
তো কোনদিন বাজে লাগে দেখতে?
না না, আচ্ছা এটা কি আমার বার্থডে না তোর বার্থডে? এটা আমার বার্থডে না ওর বার্থডে?
খিদে পেয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ,
বিরিয়ানি
and there is
uncle special biryani.
yes, which we will sell after 20 years.
When we will not get any job,
Yes, we will
sell
open up a
that.
restaurant and sell it. And you will be the accountant. Shagnik will be the accountant.
শাগনিক will be the accountant. Okay,
And-
শাগনিক তোর সাথে আমার কতদিন পর দেখা হচ্ছে? কত বছর পর? 1 বছর মাস আইটি আগে দেখা হচ্ছে আমাদের। ওই যে যেদিনকে একবার তুই এমনি ঢুকে গেছিলি আমাদের ক্লাসে। হ্যাঁ চাউমিন, ও হ্যাঁ চাউমিনের দোকান। Good morning guys. So today is Sunday and I stayed over at Raima's place yesterday. So ajke I will go back home after some time, like in the evening most probably, because today is the solar eclipse and I couldn't go out in the morning. So I will have lunch here and then I will head to home in the evening around 5 or 6. I'm not sure about that yet. But yes, we had a blast last night. You have already seen it. I've already seen all the clips from yesterday. And today I just woke up. It's already 2 or 2:30 in the afternoon. Yes, because we didn't sleep the entire night. We went to sleep at 5. And yes. So now let's see what Prima is doing. What are you cooking for me?
Cooking is going on there. Please don't shoot this. Cooking
কালকে তাও একটুখানি তোর উপর দয়া হয়েছিল, আজকে থাকবে বার্থডে শেষ, দয়া শেষ।
খুলে হ্যালো
So guys, I'm leaving Raima's place now and I'll be ending this vlog here itself. So, thank you for the tasty biryani and the cake of course. So now I'm heading back home and বেশি পিটিয়ে করতে পারছি না, still I love you and whatever, but yes, so that was it for today's video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Till then, bye.